As we all know, sea levels all around the world are rising. According to the article, Sea Level Rise, global mean sea level has risen 7 to 8 inches since 1900. In the U.S., relative sea level rise is likely to be above the global mean. In South Carolina, the increased sea level rise has caused a threat to the people who live not just along the coast, but even inland of it due to hurricane and massive floodplains. South Carolina has a very low elevation and in turn is vulnerable to severe storm damage and prone to flooding. Land subsidence over the years has become a vulnerability to South Carolina. It is projected that by 2045, the city of Charleston will experience upwards of 180 days of tidal flooding. Current and past data have also shown that flooding across the state of South Carolina has increased by as much as 75% since 2000, and sea levels are rising at 1 inch every 2 years. The impacts of this will have and is currently having on the communities is severe. In South Carolina, there are many hospitals and schools that will be negatively impacted by the water. Homes and vehicles up to a certain point will also be dramatically affected. As far as land itself being impacted, the rise in sea levels increase beach erosion. As far as future plans to counteract the issue, some areas have more resources while others do not and contribute their money on other efforts. For example, Charleston is contributing $2 billion to seawalls, raising roads, and drainage systems, while other areas like Hilton Head spent $20 million on replenishing sand to the beaches.